off and close, whatever it is. Look at how it's dropping down.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Isn't that weird?
That's going even faster here.
That's crazy. Like, as long as it doesn't start spinning there, we'll be alright. But usually when it drops down like that, it'll create a funnel.
Probably is.
Well, it doesn't seem to. But that's just it. How many tornadoes?
Yeah, but like, look at this. It's like.
I know. It's crazy. It is absolutely crazy. I've never seen anything like it. See how it's just,
Well, right over here it's moving a lot.
yeah, it's sinking down, but it's spinning around this way.
Well, hopefully it'll go that way.
Now, keep an eye on that one there. See how it's spinning there?
Yeah.
I mean, if it creates a funnel there, we're in deep shit.
Even there too, right?
I know. That is crazy. But it doesn't look like it's doing what it should be doing. I mean, it's coming around, but it's not really. You know, usually there's a lot of violence and a lot of energy stored up there.
Well, I think we'll be good.